Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Vaginal secretions. In vaginal secretions, vagina does not have any glands. The secretions come from in vaginal secretions the secretions come from endocervix, mainly endometrial glands and bartholin glands. The secretions of bartholin glands are alkaline and they are produced only at the time of intercourse. Vaginal secretions. The pH of the vaginal secretions is acidic and the pH of the cervical secretions is alkaline. The main acidic pH of vaginal secretions is due to the Dodderlin bacilli or lactobacillus. Dodderlin bacteria or lactobacillus is an inhabitant bacteria of the vagina. It converts glycogen, which is present in the superficial cells, into lactic acid, thus making the pH of the vagina acidic. Candida can survive in acidic environment of the vagina. So, age group and pH of the vagina. At birth or newborn female, pH is acidic. Before puberty, the pH is 6.5 to 7.5. At puberty, the pH of the vagina is acidic. At reproductive age group, the pH of the vagina is 3.5 to 4.5. After menopause, the pH of the vagina is 6.5 to 7.5. During pregnancy, pH of the vagina is 4. At menstruation, the pH of the vagina is 6.5 to 7.5.
thank you and thank you for watching.